Sick with it, group drop.
Fed up on fed up, fed up, fed up, fed up, fed up, fed up on fed up, fed up, fed up, fed up on fed up, fed up on fed up with the drugs, fed up with the fake love, with the gun of a bang on bang on, fed up with the drama. Gotta grieve for my mama, cause that don't think I'ma live too much longer. I'm fed up, fed up, fed up, fed up, fed up, fed up on fed up, fed up, fed up.
I've only been on TikTok for a few months now, and it has been a dream of mine to own my own business, and the support I have gotten from you guys over the past few months has been amazing. I always knew that if I ever got the opportunity to have my own business, that I would want to give back to people or issues I care about, which is exactly what I'm going to do. I know a lot of people order slime just for fun, but it also helps with anxiety, stress, and relaxing. Since May is Mental Health Awareness Month, I want to give a portion of the proceeds for each slime sold in my store to a mental health organization for the entire month of May. Thank you guys again for all the support and for giving me a chance to give back.